Ngano kaha katong time nga bago pa lang ta nakatrabaho, gamay pa to ang sweldo, sakto raman tanan, at the same time napatay tinigom. Pero on the other hand, ngano kaha katong didako ang ato ang sweldo kay na promote ta, taas na tong tenure sa company, short na hinuon, nagkautang-utang pa. Naka-experience ba mo ani or you are just unaware about it? We all know that every year nagitay ginatawag na inflation, no, dili maginato na siya control. What we can control is what we call lifestyle inflation. The more nga gadako ang imong sweldo, ang problem sad kay ang inyo pong expenses ni sabay sad or mas sobra pa. Mao na ang reason walay mabilin sa inyong sweldo and also wala sad moy savings. Example of this kay dati katong gamay pa lang mong sweldo, okay ra ka mukaon og karinderya or mubaon pa ka. But now, tungod kay dako na mo sahod, mukaon na ka sa restaurant dapat, sagulan pag mga coffee shop, and sabayan pag gimmick every weekend. We are buying unnecessary things tungod lang kay para matawag na in or sabay sa trend. If you're in this situation, do this following things. Number 1, proper budgeting. Actually, I discussed this one in my previous videos on how you can track your expenses. Second, live within your means. If you don't need it, don't buy it. If ever na sale 20%, 30%, 50%, actually, it is 100% sale if you're not going to buy it. So if di man lang kinahanglan, likayin na lang sa. Lastly, change your environment. Sometimes manggod narata sa environment na ang ato ang mga circle of friends or circle of people nga atong ginapuyugan is grabe sad mo gasto. So at some point para makisama ta sa ilaha, maapil sad ta og sige ka gasto. Remember this, it is not how much you earn that will going to determine your financial success, but it is how much you spend. So, spend your money wisely.